Is your Nvidia Shield TV frozen on the logo screen, leaving you staring at a useless brick? Don't panic. This common issue can usually be fixed with a simple USB keyboard and a bit of patience. Follow these steps, and you'll have your Shield TV up and running again. First, make sure you have a USB keyboard. This is crucial. Plug your USB keyboard into one of the USB ports on your Nvidia Shield TV. Any standard USB keyboard will work. Next, power cycle your Shield. This means unplugging the power cord from the back of your Shield TV. Leave it unplugged for about 30 seconds to ensure a complete power drain. While it's unplugged, let's prepare for the next stage. You'll be looking for a boot menu. Plug the power cable back in, and as soon as you see the Nvidia logo appear on your TV screen, begin rapidly tapping the escape key on your USB keyboard. If done correctly, you should see an on-screen menu or recovery screen appear. This is a good sign. If not, try again, and make sure you're tapping the escape key immediately after the logo appears. In the recovery menu, use the arrow keys to navigate. You'll have options such as reboot system, apply update from ADB, wipe data, factory reset. We will select wipe data. Factory reset. Use the arrow keys to move and the enter button to select. This is for your specific device, but you may have to choose another option to resolve this. Returns your Shield to its original state. Confirm the factory reset by selecting yes. This process will erase all your data, so keep this in mind. The Shield will then reboot, and hopefully, it will start up normally. Once the process has finished, you can set up your Shield TV as if it were brand new. You might have to re-download your apps and settings, but at least your Shield TV is restored. If all else fails, you might need to investigate the warranty or contact Nvidia support. And that's it. You've successfully recovered your Nvidia Shield TV from the dreaded logo screen. If this video helped, please like and subscribe for more tech tips.